Good morning, children. In the last class, we have written few answers of lesson number 4, the children, that is oceans and fishing. Today, let us continue the question answers. Textbook, question number 9, children. Copy the question. What solutions can you suggest to fishermen so that they do not have to depend on the middleman for money? Answer is forming cooperative societies. If they form cooperatives, children, they get loans from the banks. Forming cooperative societies and getting loans from the banks. Question number 10, children. In the last 4 chapters, we studied many different aspects of water. Here is more information about the availability of water on earth. Look at them carefully and explain the availability of water resources on earth. Copy the question, children. In the same page down, 3 pie charts are given. These are the pie charts, children. Distribution of fresh water, distribution of water on earth, and distribution of fresh surface water. Distribution of fresh water is saline water. Dark color is saline water. The light color, children, let us see this area, this part. This is fresh water. This is 3%. Saline water you will get in oceans, children. Salt water, that is 97%. Distribution of water on earth, ice caps and glaciers 68.7%, groundwater 30.1%, surface water 0.3% and others 0.9%. Distribution of fresh water, lakes 87%, swamps 11%, rivers 2%. This we have to analyze, children. You have to see this and write the answer. Out of the total water present on the earth, 97% is the saline water, children. See here, 97% is saline water. That is salt water found in oceans and seas. Bracket, you got oceans, sea, children. And only 3% of fresh water present on the earth. 3% of the water present on the earth is fresh. Okay. Then about 68.7% of this fresh water is blocked in polar ice caps and glaciers. 30.1% of fresh water forms the groundwater, and just 0.3% of this is found on surface water. The other water sources count about 0.9%. The 0.3% of the water is distributed among these sources, children. These are the sources. Surface water is 0.3%. See here, surface water 0.3%. This 0.3% is distributed among that 87% lakes, swamps 11%, and rivers 2%. This is what we have to write, children. Come on, write. Write the answer, children. Out of total water on earth, 97% is saline water. 97% is saline water found in oceans and seas. Found in oceans and seas. Second point, only 3% of total water, only 3% of the total water present on the earth is fresh. Present on the earth is fresh. Third point, about 68.7% of this fresh water, about 68.7% of this fresh water is blocked, BLOCKED, blocked in polar ice caps and glaciers. Blocked in polar ice caps and glaciers. .1% of the fresh water, 30.1% of the fresh water forms the groundwater. 30.1% of the fresh water forms the groundwater. Next point, just 0.3%, just 0.3% of this is found on the surface water. Found on the surface water. Next point, the other water sources count about 0.9%. The other water sources count about 0.9%. Next point, 0.3% of surface water, 0.3% of surface water is distributed among the following sources. Among the following sources: lakes, swamps, rivers. Lakes, swamps and rivers. 87%, 11% and 2%. Finish, children. Next question. Question number 11. How do you support the statement? How do you support the statement, the life of fishermen is tied up with the seas? How do you support the statement, the life of fishermen is tied up with the seas? Answer. I always support the statement. I always support the statement that the life of fishermen is tied up with seas. The life of fishermen is tied up with seas. You put in inverted commas, children, as it is given in the question. I always support the statement that the life of fisherman is tied up with seas due to the following reasons. Due to the following reasons. Number 1, fishing is the livelihood of fishermen. Fishing is the livelihood of fishermen. So, the major part of the life, the major part of the life of fishermen is tied up with the seas. Is tied up with the seas. Second point, they go into the sea early in the morning and return late in the night. They go into the sea early in the morning and return late in the night. Third point, every day they go up to 15 to 20 kilometers in the sea. Every day they go up to 15 to 20 kilometers in the sea. If there is good catch, they will get more money. If there is a good catch, they will get more money. Next point. There is far more risk. There is far more risk of life sometimes, because if they go far into the sea, it would be difficult to swim. It would be difficult to swim over to the shore. It would be difficult to swim over to the shore in times of trouble. Next point, fishing is a risky and brave occupation. Fishing is a risky and brave occupation. But fishermen do not know any other work. Thus, I can say that the life of fisherman is tied up with the sea. The life of fisherman is tied up with the sea. Last question, children. Question number 13. Read the first paragraph under the heading Fishing Villages on Coastal Plains in page 35 and comment on it. Question number 12. Comment, children. Copy the question. Let me read the paragraph. Ocean water is always saline. Underline saline, children. We are talking about ocean water which is saline. It contains several mineral salts dissolved in it. Ocean water contains mineral salts which is dissolved in it. Okay. The oceans, underline mineral salts. Oceans are the main source of rainfall. Oceans are source of rainfall. Okay. Underline main source of rainfall. Oceans are the storehouses of fish and other seafoods. We also get fish and other seafoods from ocean. Underline storehouse of fish and seafoods. They are the main source of salt. Ocean water gives us salt. Oceans provide natural highways for international trade. On ocean water, we do trade, children, international trade. They are like natural highways. Natural highways. Ocean is created by nature, children. We have not created. So they are natural highways for doing international trade. Underline natural highways. Let us visit Bhavanapadu, a fishing village near coast of Andhra Pradesh, and study the life of people near the ocean. Let us ignore the last sentence, children. Only first few lines, except last line, remaining part we will write the comment of. Okay. Whenever you write the comment, the first line should be this paragraph is about. Write the first point. This paragraph is about. The importance of oceans, or ocean as a resource. Ocean as a resource. Okay. Now, first one we have underlined saline. Oceans are very useful to us. They give us salt and food. Ocean gives us salt and seafood and varieties of fishes. Seafood, that is seafood, children. Oceans act as natural highways for international trade. Oceans are the main source of rainfall. Oceans are also the main source of rainfall. Next point, we extract minerals from it. We extract minerals from it. Next point, ocean floor. Ocean floor is mined, M-I-N-E-D, mined for oils. Ocean floor is mined for oils. Next point, ocean waves are used for generating power. Ocean waves are used for generating power. Paragraph change, children. Let us write our view. Today, oceans are exploited. Oceans are exploited. They have become dumping grounds. They have become dumping grounds for plastic and other wastes. Due to which animals living in oceans are at the verge, V-E-R-G-E, at the verge of extinction. at the verge of extinction. EXTINCTION. At the verge of extinction or disappearing, you can write, children. So I think it is our duty to protect oceans. It is our duty to protect oceans. With this, we have completed question answers of this lesson, children. Chapter 4, Oceans and Fishing, question answers we have completed. Write neatly in your classwork and learn. Thank you, children.